Good morning, children. Welcome to e-learning classes. As you know, our first chapter is going on, that is large number. And yesterday we have done 1C. Today also we will continue 1C. So, yesterday up to question number 4 we had done, and today we will continue with question number 5. So, children, what is question number 5? Question number 5 is find the sum of the place values of 3 in 3,96,303. So, first of all we will identify the place values of 3. So, children, you can see there are 3 threes are given. Okay. First is at ones place, second is at hundredth place, and third is at lakh place. So, in all the threes, which one is having the greatest value? This one. So, we will write here first 3 lakh. After that, second number is hundreds, so 300. Then last is ones, so 3. We will write here. So, 3 lakh, 300 and 3. And we will arrange the number from the left side of the sum. Now, we will add it. 0, 0, 3, it will come 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, 3 is 3, 0, 0 and 3. So, what will be the answer? 3,03,003. Clear? Now, question number 6. Circle the number which has the maximum place value of 6. Means there are 4 numbers are given. In these you have to circle the number which is having the 6 place value maximum. So, you can see here it is having, in this number 6 is having hundreds place, in this it is having ones, in this it is having 10,000, and in this 1,000. So, which one is greater? 10,000 is greater. So, we will circle this number. You can circle it with blue pen also. Clear? Now, question number 7. Children, what is question number 7? Find the difference of the place values of 7 in the number. 4,67,074. So, it is same as question number 5. In this we have to take, we have taken out the sum, and in this we will take out the difference. So, what do you mean by sum? Sum means addition and difference means subtraction. So, you have to see the place value of 7. So, children, you can see here there are 2 7 in this question. 4,67,074. We will again see the place value. First 7 is having tens place value and second is having 1,000. So, we will write here 7,000 first and then 70. Now, we will take out the difference. We will minus it. 0, 0, 0. Here we will take carry from 7. 7 will give carry to this 0. 0 will borrow from 7. So, it will become 10. And this 0 will borrow from this 10. So, this will become 10 and this will become 9. Clear? Now, 10 minus 7 is 3. Okay. Now, 9 will be written as 9 only because nothing is given there. And 7 will become, after giving 1, what it will become? It will become 6. So, 6 is written here. 6,930 will be the answer. 6,930 is the answer of question number 7. Now, question number 8. Find the place value of the encircled digit in the number given below. So, children, here in this question we have to write the place value of the numbers which are encircled here. Now, question number A, 48,765 and 6 is circled here. So, what is the place value of 6? It is ones. This one is tens. So, we will write here 60. Here 71 lakh 17,876 and 1 is circle. So, ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000 and 10,000. So, 1 is having the value of 10,000. Here 57 lakh 84,003 and here 0 is circle. So, what we have learned, that 0 is having the always place value of 0 is 0. So, place value of 0 will be 0 here. Now question number D, 15,456. So 6 is circle here and 6 is having the place of ones, so we will write here 6 only. Now E, 20,347. 3 is circle here and 3 is having the place value of hundreds. You can check here ones, tens and hundreds, so we will write here 300. Now F, 1,74,638 and 1 is circle, so 1 is lakh. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and lakh, so we will write here 1 lakh. Clear? Now question number 9. Question number 9 is how many tens are there in 5,87,643. So children, we will write first all the place value of all the digits. So 3 is having ones place value, 4 is having tens, 6 is having 100, 7 is having 1000, 8 is having 10,000 and 5 is having lakh. And the question is what? How many tens are there in this number? So we will see the place value of tens because it is given here tens, and at the tens place what is given? 4 is given. So in this number how many tens are there? There are 4 tens. So 4 tens are there in this number. Clear? Now question number 10. Rohan won a prize money of rupees 1,40,000 in a cycle race. He donated a sum equal to the place value of 4 in the prize money to an orphanage. Orphanage mean was जो आश्रम होते हैं, अनाथ आश्रम और ये सब, तो उनको उसको कहते हैं ऑर्फनेज. ठीक है. नाउ हाउ मच अमाउंट डिड ही डोनेट? सो चिल्ड्रन, हाउ मच राहुल हैव वन? राहुल वन अ प्राइज मनी दैट इज़ 1,40,000. 1,40,000 उसने प्राइज जीता है. नाउ ही डोनेटेड अ सम इक्वल टू द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 4. सो इन दिस 4 इज गिवन एट द प्लेस ऑफ 10,000. सो हाउ मच मनी ही डोनेटेड? ही डोनेटेड 40,000. क्लियर? नाउ सो राहुल डोनेटेड 40,000 to an orphanage. Clear? Now your homework is prepare for class test and learn the table from 2 to where we have written 6. So 2 to 6. Clear? This is maths homework. What is it? Prepare for class test which is going to held on Friday, and prepare it well and learn the table from 2 to 6. It can also come in class test. Clear children? Have a nice day. Thank you.